I don't know what type of day this is for me, y'all, but everything is just like, it's making me take a, you know, a large L. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and, you know, hit that subscribe button. Okay, babes, the actual costume that I am wearing is a Scooby-Doo Daphne Blake costume that I got from Spirit. It includes the dress, the headband, and the scarf, y'all, and this is exactly how it is looking. And y'all, I got a size medium, and if you see my vlog last year from shopping from the Spirit Halloween, y'all, everything is always worth it, you know, the price, because everything always fits so well, y'all, and I really love Spirit Halloween. I really support it. Would love for you babes to hit that like button so others can have a chance to hear a good word or see a good project through the algorithm. And y'all, these are the regular pearl earrings that I will be wearing. And this is the dress right here, y'all. That is a size medium. It's about the same color as my bed, y'all. It has, you know, dark purple and then the lavender purple added. These are the cute shoes that I will be wearing. They are just a regular pointy toe small heel, classic light pastel, and these are the white stockings that I will be wearing underneath. I wish I had some, you know, thigh high knee socks, but these are actually full stockings. I didn't buy any thigh highs, and I wish I could have found like green thigh highs that you know, that actually match with the scarf, but I couldn't. And this is the scarf, y'all, which is lime green, one of my favorite colors as well, which is, you know, white, purple, green, all of them go together. And this is the headband right here, y'all, that came with the costume, that is actually so cute. I am looking crazy as can be, y'all. I really just curled my hair. I really just have these positioned any kind of way, y'all, because I didn't want to put that many, and, you know, I wanted it to be, you know, somewhat easy. I've been wanting to be Daphne Blake, y'all. It's always been on my list, and I think this will be a good costume for me this year, y'all. You know, it's actually been sitting in, you know, Spirit, and I was just like, y'all, this costume really has me all over it. And I actually have good lights on my vanity, y'all, and I'm gonna still use my small mirror though, because I am aka blind and just can't see. You know, she's pretty laid back. She's very sexy. I know y'all probably would have thought, gosh, I would have been, you know, Velma, I think it was her name. I'm not sure, y'all, but correct me. Okay, y'all, I kind of had to take a long little break, y'all. I did this workout powder stuff that I normally do to have some energy, even though I'm not even working out today. I just did it, y'all, and it has my stomach in circles. This is embarrassing. I took some Pepto-Bismol, and I'm hoping that everything turns out all right. Dang, I gotta go get my mirror. And plus, I am on a heating pad, y'all. My stomach is like small cramping right now, y'all. Like, I feel like I kind of gotta throw up. I really want that sweet, you know, sorry, y'all. Sweet and elegant look. I think this purple is probably a little too dark. This purple, cause you know it's more of a lavender purple, but then at the same time, my lovely eye pads, I almost forgot to apply, y'all, cause I actually like to do the eyeliner look of the eyeshadow or whatever. Okay, I really like how it turned out, and I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna also add like a little dab of blue, y'all, because I kind of like want to mix it in. And I think I want to add it, y'all, this shade right here. Ooh. Oh yeah, my light is on, y'all. It's a little dark. I'm not sure, y'all, but you know, I added it. Take this off. A bit better, you know, and I'm just praying that I feel 100% soon. I'm actually not sure what lashes I want to wear. I have these cuties right here, and then I also have these cuties, which I'm actually feeling these cuties. These lashes came out so cute, y'all, and make them a little bit more dramatic. And of course, I'm gonna add me some bottom lashes, y'all. My curl is kind of coming down. You know, they kind of doing whatever. And you know, the color purple, actually, like lavender purple, dark purple, any kind of shade of purple, actually, y'all, like I actually became an actual fan for it. Y'all, I guess my brain is not working right correctly, y'all. You know, my head is everywhere right now, but I should have did my contour first and then my bottom lashes, but you know. I forgot to put some concealer, y'all. I love to add my mold, you know, exaggerate it more than what it already is. I'm not sure what, you know, lipstick I actually want to wear with this, but I'm thinking, you know, decisions, y'all. And I'm thinking about wearing a brighter pink. I actually hate wearing a brighter pink, y'all, but the way the lighting is, y'all, it makes it look all extra, you know, extra, but it's actually, you know, pastel and actually kind of cute, and I think I'm actually going to rock with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down my curlies, y'all. They already falling apart. So I like curled it with a curling iron just to, you know, and give y'all info on this. And all I did was roll them up with big extra rollers just to let them sit, you know what I'm saying? And I actually use hairspray as well. I use my straighteners, y'all, to straighten my bangs, which I haven't done yet, as y'all can tell. But this is y'all how it's looking, you know, 60s real big like, which I think is so cute. And you know, making it big and, you know, ruffling them up. This is actually the wig that I wear multiple times, y'all, and it always comes out so good every time I wash it and re-wear it, which is the wig that I wore, you know, to be Carrie White. And then also the wig I wore to be Icky Vicky from the Fairly Odd Parents. Something like that, y'all. And I will be wearing a headband, so it won't be so harsh on me, you know, with this back look, you know what I'm saying? Because it'll be a headband right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and I guess put on my costume, y'all. I'm excited to actually get dressed and see what it's looking like. So I am really feeling it. I feel so pretty, you know, petite and so 60s. Like, I really love the 60s style, you know, vintage more than anything. And that is definitely when Scooby-Doo was around, was the vintage era and all this other type of stuff, you know, 60s, 70s, you know, all that type of stuff. And y'all, I kind of did my hair like a hump because I thought it would be so cute, y'all. And it's really just like, it's giving to me. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. My curls are actually cute. The only thing is, I just like rewrapped the ends of my curls, y'all, and made them more cartoonish like, which I think is so cute. You know, I have my pearl earrings in. I don't know what type of day this is for me, y'all, but everything is just like, it's making me take a, you know, a large L, because I was actually in the mirror when I was doing my hair, curling my hair, y'all. A bit of my eyelash was coming off, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a Q-tip and, you know, put a little glue on it and just dab it and stick it and, you know, dry it. But y'all, as I was doing the glue, some glue, y'all, and it's the hair track glue, the dark glue. The hair track glue squirted right on the front of my costume, y'all. And I actually used this oil stuff, this grandma spot stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby, y'all, which is so good. It's actually at my grandmother's. I ran to my grandmother's, y'all, and I like came back home and I got the spot out luckily, and I used a hair dryer to dry the wet spot up, y'all. It's not perfect, but it is, you know, somewhat workable. That's all I'm gonna say like that, y'all. But yeah, I don't know what type of day this is. It's just like, okay, babes, this is exactly how the outfit turned out, y'all, and it is so cute and petite, y'all. See my pointy shoes. You see how the dress is, you know, a little bit short, but it's really cute and it's fitted, y'all. And y'all, my hair, the scarf, y'all, it came out so cute. Side details, y'all, you know, with the little heel. My stockings, babes, I'm so in love with this, y'all. I'm gonna get a little bit closer, but as y'all can see, y'all really can't see the spot, y'all. It was literally right here, and it was a huge oily wet spot. And this is the lovely spray that I'm actually wearing, y'all, the Butterfly by Bath and Body Works, which is my favorite, y'all. I only have like a little bit left. Today has given me so much trouble. Like I said, the devil is a lie, y'all. I am going to continue to have a good October, y'all. This is my first costume out of 3. Y'all know how I do, y'all. I would love for you babes to check out my vlogs from last year and the costumes that I did if you have not seen, y'all, because I love Halloween, y'all. I like to get dressed up and, you know, really put some details into things, and I think I really did good with this costume, y'all. Drop, y'all, a purple heart or a bow and some love for your girl, because your girl worked hard for this, you know what I'm saying? I really hope, you know, y'all loved it, and y'all don't forget to, you know, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment for your girl. Mwah!